I'm reading for Aries, all that I need to know. So moving forward, let's see what you guys are going through the next 15 days. Aries, me 2021. First card we have for you is Ten of Pentacles in the reverse. So right now many of you feel like you do not have that financial stability in your life. Things are not looking very stable. If it's not financial, it could be emotional, that you do not have a solid person that you could look forward in terms of marriage. Okay, there is nothing that you could possibly move forward with, whoever you're dealing with. So many of you guys could feel like the person you're dealing with, this is not going to go towards commitment. If it's not about the love issue, then it could be financial. Okay, you feel lack of stability in your life, okay, or lack of growth maybe for some of you. What else do we see coming in Aries life currently? With Queen of Wands, I do see you guys having passion towards someone. Okay, you definitely are interested in someone. Okay, this could be a Sagittarius individual or a Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. It could be any sign in particular, but this two I see for now. With Six of Pentacles, things are not looking very good with them, but you are trying to work your levels with this person. It is a very give and take connection. I don't think like there's any commitment there. You feel like you're the person who's giving in more than the person, or the other person concerned. So right now with Ten of Swords, you feel bit cheated on, like like you are doing everything and the other person just doesn't seem bothered. The other person is a taker and you're a giver. That's how you look at it. The overall energy of the relationship. What's the overall energy of the relationship, please? With the Star card, I believe, regardless of whatever is happening, this can get fixed. Okay, this will move forward. It is not ending. There's just bits of confusion, and that could be cleared. Okay, in terms of your person, what's going in their life? Aries soulmate. Four of Wands. Please clarify the Four of Wands. How do you think about Aries now? I hope you guys are not dealing with someone who's already married. Okay. In terms of how they're thinking about you, with King of Swords, they want to tell you something. Okay, they want to open up about some secrets, something that they've been hiding from you. Okay, selected few of you, this person could already be in another relationship. Okay, one more card. How do they see Aries now? How do they see Aries now? This person is definitely wanting to talk to you, wanting to communicate with you, wanting to reach out. Okay, in terms of what do they want with Aries, in terms of what do they truly want with Aries. King of Swords. So this person wants a very open relationship. I don't think this person is like ready for anything more than just sexual. Okay, so with Page of Wands, Knight of Swords, and Four of Wands already in the picture, this person could be already having someone else. I don't know if you guys know about it or not. Not for all of you, but for some of you. One card for what do they want from you now in terms of this relationship. What do they truly want from you, Aries? I believe right now this person wants your attention. They definitely want to look forward to you. Okay, they are looking forward to even meet you in person. Okay, in terms of their feelings, how do they feel for you? What do they truly have for you? In terms of feelings with Ten of Swords, I believe you guys have gone through some fight or argument. Someone did something that kind of killed it in some which way. Okay, one card for, like, what do they truly have in their heart space? What do they truly have in their heart space for Aries? In terms of their heart space, their feelings are not stable. Sometimes they feel like they love you, sometimes they feel like it's just sexual. Okay, they do care for you, but in terms of their feelings, it's not stable. Okay, they do not trust their own feelings, how they feel, what they feel, all that shit. Okay, in terms of their mind space, what's happening? In terms of their mind space with the Death card, some of them might feel like this is already over and done, like nothing could come out of this. But even after that, they want to reach out, they want to give you attention, they want to communicate. Okay, what do they want with you? What sort of relationship do they want with you, Spirit, in terms of this connection? With Ace of Swords, as of now, I see this person wanting to communicate, wanting to bring in communication, start communication, speak what is happening with them. So they might open up about something that they've always been hiding from you. What's the major blockage, Spirit? What's the major blockage? What's getting in the way? What's getting in the way is their controlling behavior. For some of you, this person might be slightly elder to you. Okay, there might be some age difference. If it's not age difference, it could be their dominating nature. Very stubborn. Or they want things to be done their way. Selected few of you, this person might already be committed. Since the Emperor is here. Okay, one more card. What else could be blocking the connection? Some of them, even after I don't know what age they are, even after that, they are not wanting to completely, like act mature. They are behaving childish. They are doing shit that doesn't really go with their age. Okay, so with Page of Swords, this person does want to communicate, but they always hold back. They always talk instead of communicating. They always wait and watch instead of reaching out. So that could be very much getting in the way. Where is this going for now, for Aries? Where is this connection going for now? I still see many of you still staying away from this person. Okay, this is going to be very slow. Okay, with Eight of Cups and Knight of Pentacles, I do believe in some which way that you guys are trying to find your way out of this relationship even after having the passion for this person. Reason being, this person is behaving so fucking immature. Okay, in terms of what could you expect out of the connection? What could you expect out of the connection for the next 15-20 days? Yeah, just like I told you, it's going to stay stuck. Okay, like what like you could expect from this person in terms of action. What can Aries expect in terms of this person when it comes to action? With the Justice card, this person will speak some truth that is going to kind of make you get away or go away or stay away. Okay, but they are definitely going to bring in some tower moment, something, some truth, some secrets are going to be revealed that you are not going to take very kindly. Okay, so right now, what do they want from you? Right now, what do they really want? With the Magician card, they still want to manifest this connection. They still want to look forward to this. But the problem could be the past. Problem could be something they have done, something they haven't told you, or this person might be already in another relationship. But with the Judgment card, they definitely have to let go of something. It's either a job, a situation, or a person to choose you. Okay, it's not going to be that simple. Okay. By the 20th of this month, where do you see this relationship going? By the 20th of this month, where do you see this relationship going? Now with the Tower card, I still see you not being on good terms with each other. Regardless if they communicate or not, they will communicate, but I do not see you being on good terms, because they will say something, do something that is going to trigger you into staying away or getting away. Okay. So yes, in terms of spirit messages, what does Aries need to know? Choose different directions. So some of you, it's better for you to choose a different direction. The reason being, this person is so fucking messed up. What else, Spirit? I fear this ending bad. For some of you, this person might fear this connection ending on a very bad note. Okay, they might have already told you that. Where this is heading, Spirit? But you might have wanted family, but they could not offer that. It's in the reverse, wants family. So they might have not really wanted family with you. And the frustration, okay, that comes with this connection being on and off. Okay. So this is all I have for you for Aries. Not a very good month, darling, but I like to be honest, I like to be straightforward from what I see. Mind you, this might not resonate with each and every one of you, but if it has, kindly hit the like button. Do let me know in the comment section. Please subscribe to the channel. If you want a personal reading, please do reach out on my website or my WhatsApp or my Insta. And yeah, we could look forward to it. Thank you so much for coming in, and thank you for your support so far. See you soon, guys. Cheers.